Welcome to the channel, folks. So today's video is going to be covering a viewer requested video, and this is going to be going over the Purolator series of filters. As you can see here, I got the whole lineup of Purolator. I got the Purolator Standard, which is the premium engine protection, then the Purolator 1, which is the advanced engine protection, and the Purolator Boss, which is the maximum engine protection when it comes to filters. Now, there's benefits of each one, okay? As you can see, this is a 10,000 mile filter. This is a 15,000 mile filter because it has a synthetic blend media. And the Purolator Boss has a 20,000 mile rating because of a fully synthetic media. It's great that Purolator states this right on their boxes because a lot of other brands do not state whether it's a synthetic blend, a fully synthetic media, or whatnot on their filters. So it's very nice that Purolator goes ahead and states this right on the box. That way there's no confusion and you know what you're getting. So these are all made in the USA, okay? So from the very basic model to the more premium model, you have a USA made filter, okay? So there's no playing around with manufacturing overseas or in Mexico like some of the other brands I've covered in separate videos. Their premium filter usually is a USA filter, and then all the other ones are made in Mexico or Vietnam or Taiwan or made in China, you name it. So it's good that the whole lineup is made in the United States. Okay, so that's great. And America first. So we're going to go over one by one. We're going to disassemble these filters. They're brand new filters, all for the same exact application for a Subaru 2.0 engine. And we're going to go ahead and examine the internals and see what the similarities and the differences are from each one as you kind of step up all the way up to the Purolator Boss, okay? Like I said, you know, if you're changing your oil regularly, this Purolator, just a standard one, is going to be just fine as long as you change it on a regular frequency. If you want more protection, 15,000 or 20,000, and you use synthetic oils, okay, you're going to want to either use the Purolator 1 or the Purolator Boss is a good choice, okay? But at first glance, they all look exactly the same besides the color from the outside, okay? But let's go ahead and start off with the Purolator Standard series, okay? So this one here, the red one, and then we're going to work our way up, okay? So I'm just going to pull these out of the way for now. All right, so here we have the ultimate. We have the Purolator Boss. This is your 20,000 mile, fully synthetic media, made for fully synthetic oils, your most durable offering from Purolator. And this is it right here. They call it the Boss. So besides the nice, fancy, kind of glittery gray paint job on this thing, this is seems like a very robust filter, okay? I forgot to mention that these are all the same application. I think I actually did mention that, but they are the PBL14615, and like I said, they're for a Subaru 2.0 engine. So let's go ahead and crack this open when it comes to taking a look at the internals and see what it's about. See if there's any actual notable differences with the Purolator Boss besides the filter media being fully synthetic. Gotta be really careful because this oil filter cutting tool produces very sharp edges along here, so I have to be very careful. All right, so the base plate and silicone anti-drain back valve, literally the exact same ones as the previous lower level filters, okay? The function is literally exactly the same. And here we have something that looks a little bit different from what we've seen, okay? So on the Purolator 1, we have a yellow type filter element. The actual Boss Purolator is a white element, so it's a very notable difference. We have a white media, fully synthetic, as compared to the yellow media that we typically see in all the other filters. This is the first one I've seen that's white out of all my oil filter disassembly and cut open filter videos. We have the same full metal bypass valve here. Same extremely stiff design. Okay, that's going to take a lot of pressure to activate. So, like I said, this is going to activate either if the media is clogged and it has to pass oil through to, oil your engine and prevent oil starvation, or if it's very cold out, like say -10 degrees, and the oil is all gelled up around the oil filter and cannot pass through. It's going to bypass through this valve here, okay, and oil your engine so it doesn't starve. So that's one big difference, is just the filter media, right? So that's definitely something that stands out. The housing feels exactly the same exact leaf spring spacer riser there to keep a gap on the other end of the filter element. Same silicone anti-drain back valve. Inlet ports and outlet port exactly the same size and everything. The base plate is literally the same thing. So they most likely use the exact same housing and base plate for all these filters, which it makes sense. You don't have to redesign the wheel when you're just making filters. The main thing is going to be your filter media, which is the important part. If it's more durable for 20,000 miles of use, or whether you want it for 10,000 or 15,000 like the previous Boss in Purolator 1 and the Red Series, which is the standard, okay? But same exact metal core on the inside. We got a metal stamped helical core, center support, and everything else. The end caps on this are exactly the same as the 1 Series and the standard series red filter. So the only difference you're going to notice if you take one of these apart is going to be that filter media. It's definitely the more premium and more upgraded component of the filters. Everything else is pretty much exactly the same, okay? So this is going to be the guy that you want for extreme use, synthetic oils. If you want fully synthetic media to be more robust and more durable and go longer between your oil change periods, this is going to be the filter you want, okay? This is good insurance to making sure your engine lasts a long time. So let's go ahead now and put these all side by side and kind of show them in one frame what they all look like together.